Setting up a column of enum fields in Excel. I'd like to set up a column in Excel with several fixed possible values, like in progress, done, cancelled. I'd like to set it up so the only possible values in these columns are from the fixed list, and it would be easy to pick one of these items whenever I try to edit a cell in this column. A drop-down box would be ideal. How can I do that?
Piece of cake. 1. Enter your list of the fixed values. These have to be in the same sheet as the cell you want to restrict. 2. Click on the cell you want to restrict. Select Validation from the Excel Data pull-down menu. 3. In the pull-down on the Settings tab, select List. 4. Click in the box labeled Sourced and select the cells that contain the value set up in Step 1. 5. Click OK and you are done. You can do this for any number of cells. You will see a pull-down icon next to the restricted cells. Click on it to choose only values in the list. Excel will not allow any other value in this cell. Look around in the validation dialog box and you will see you can tweak how this works.
Rather than selecting a book of cells with the values in them, you can write the values in as a semicolon separated list in the source box instead.
Also, the restriction in step 1 of the first answer, these have to be in the same sheet as the cell you want to restrict, is not true. In fact, it is good practice, especially if you have quite a few of this lookup list and used to put them all in the lookups tab and then hide the tab so that general users cannot see it and fiddle with it. To get round the restriction mentioned, you must set up a named range to identify the list of allowed entry items. Because the named range is recognized throughout the entire workbook, you can then use this name to specify the list in any other tab you like. In the source box you type an equal sign immediately followed by the name you chose for the named range.
Official documentation. Microsoft has a nice and short tutorial on this topic directly on their support site, as video and as text with some screenshots. Create a drop-down list. Add or remove items from a drop-down list.